Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create strategic business plans step by step clearly. Begin by defining your business goals. Identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Conduct thorough market research. Analyze your target audience and competitors. Gather relevant data on market trends and consumer behavior. Create a mission statement that reflects your business values. Outline your unique value proposition. Develop a SWOT analysis to assess strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Choose key performance indicators to track progress. Detail your business strategies focusing on marketing, operations, and finance. Create a budget that outlines expected costs and revenues. Identify potential challenges and develop contingency plans. Incorporate a timeline for implementing each strategy. Engage team members in the planning process for diverse insights. Draft a professional business plan document. Review and revise the plan based on feedback. Ensure the plan aligns with your overarching business vision. Finally, prepare to communicate your strategic plan to stakeholders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.